it's me, Caitlin, and this is Connor. And today for another video, we're gonna be making chicken skewers with vegetables.
Like peppers, right?
Yeah. First, we're going to get the peppers. And
then the red onion. And then after that, we're going to cut them, slice them, and all the stuff. So let's peel this off first, too.
You know how to do it.
Yes, I do, I think. Oh, I got it.
Now that our veggies are chopped right here, we're going to start on our chicken. So this is our chicken, our raw chicken right now. So we chopped up our chicken into big chunks. And here we got some bamboo skewers sticks, so we're going to use that too. So now we're going to be putting our chicken and vegetables on the skewers.
To make kabobs. Let's start. I'd rather start with the vegetables, because if we start with the chicken, then
there'll be too kamushkai.
No. It'll be too, loose. And when all the weight of the vegetables, it would, push it down. I'm gonna do vegetable, chicken, vegetables, chicken, vegetable, chicken. Actually, you could do however you want.
This is the final product. Actually, no, not the final product because they're still raw. And we're going to be marinating them with these sauces. Cooking this on the grill. Now we're going to be using the grill. So now we're going to be seasoning it with salt and pepper. So now we're going to be putting the skewers in the grill.
That's mine.
You just slam. Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah. All over here.
Even on the top.
Where's spaces?
Let that cook, and then when they're done cooking, let's do the second batch.
So we're going to taste this. So good. Please subscribe subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this, and like this video so you can see more, and bye.